In today's video, I'm going to share with you 13 cast iron skillet benefits that every cook needs to know about. New Lodge cast iron cookware is some of the most popular because number one, it's so readily available, and number two, it's affordable. And I'm going to leave a link down in the description box for you to be able to check out the availability and the affordability of New Lodge cast iron skillets. Now, another thing that you may not know about is cooking in cast iron has so many other benefits. Number one, you may know how to fry bacon. You may even know how to cook chicken. Fry chicken in your cast iron skillet. That's certainly two more benefits. But I'll tell you another one too. You can make the very best cornbread, biscuits, and even pizza where at? In your oven. That's right. You can take your cast iron skillet and cook cornbread, biscuits, and pizza in your oven. Now, there's other things that you can certainly do with these too. You may not even know this, but you can actually take your cast iron skillet and you can use it on your barbecue grill. That's right, whether it's a charcoal grill or a gas grill, it doesn't matter. You can put your cast iron skillet in the barbecue grill and do what? Grill with it. That's right. But I'll tell you another one that I really enjoy doing, especially in the fall and in the springtime, and that's cooking in one over a campfire. You can certainly do that as well. What a benefit that is. And man, on a snowy day like today, I'd love to be out on a campfire cooking in my cast iron skillet, but we can't do it. Now, another thing I want you to know about a cast iron skillet, what you can do, many of you know this, many of you may not, but you can take and caramelize onions. You can saute onions and bell pepper in your cast iron skillet. So good. I mean, they come out just perfect. I just love that. But I'm going to tell you something that you probably already know. Many people use a cast iron skillet for. Chefs and restaurants use it. But that's to sear the perfect ribeye steak in a cast iron skillet. That's right. You can sear meat better in a cast iron skillet than you probably can any other piece of cookware. Whether it's a ribeye steak or a pork chop even. But hey, that's your choice. I'd take a ribeye over a pork chop any day, wouldn't you? Now, not only can you sear in your cast iron skillet, but if you have to make a stew or something like that, you may need to brown your meat. So you can certainly braise your meat in a cast iron skillet. That's right. Braising meat in a cast iron skillet. Now, last but not least, I want you to understand that you can even broil a piece of fish, whether it's salmon or tuna or whatever you may be cooking. It doesn't matter. You can broil your fish perfectly in a cast iron skillet. Now, these are 13 benefits of using a cast iron skillet. They by far are not all of the benefits that you can get out of a cast iron skillet. Matter of fact, if you don't mind, leave me a comment of what your favorite benefit of using a cast iron skillet is. And we'll certainly answer your questions there. We'd love to hear how you use your cast iron. But I'll tell you what, folks, not only that, but check out this video right here because it was made for you and we're going to see you over there. So I hope these 13 benefits of cast iron cooking in the skillet will help you more than anything explore new ways that you can make different recipes in the near future using what? A cast iron skillet. Hey, you guys have a great day now. It's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. We just want to share the love with you. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you again. Bye-bye.